Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS skill bar design. Now you can see the percentages are visible. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS skill bar. Inside the body, we wanted a div with class name skill box. Inside the div, create a span and this class name will be HTML. Copy this span and paste it 3 times. This will be CSS. Third one is JavaScript and last one is PHP. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing will be border box. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content is center, align item center, height 100 VH and width 100%, background color #262626FF. Save the file, refresh. Now the background color is okay. Next we want to style our class skill box. Inside this, display flex, justify content is flex start, align item center, position is relative and height will be 50 pixel, width 400 pixel and border radius will be 50 pixel, box shadow 1 pixel 40 pixel and color is black. Next, cursor will be pointer and we want to create animation that will be anim 2 second is forwards. Save the file, refresh. Here you can see the skill bars layout. Let's start to style class HTML. Inside this, position will be relative, height 100% and width 45%, background color #F40A4DFF. Save the file, refresh. We want to set this border. Inside this, border top left radius that will be 50 pixel and copy this line, paste it and we want to change this bottom. Save the file, refresh. Now the border is okay. Next we want to style our class CSS. Inside this, position relative, height 100% and width 25%, background color is Doja blue. Copy this and paste it 2 times. We want to change this JavaScript and width will be 20%, background color is orange and this will be PHP, width is 10% and background color is lime green and border top right radius that will be 50 pixel. Copy this line and paste it. We want to change this bottom. Save the file, refresh. The skill bar is looking good. Next we want to style span after. Inside this, content, display flex, justify content is center, align item center and position is absolute, height 30 pixel and width 160 pixel and bottom 60 pixel. Left will be 50% and translate -50%. Font size 20 pixel. Font weight is 600 and font family is sans serif. Font color is white and we want a transition that will be 0.5 second. Border radius 50 pixel and opacity will be 0. Next, we want to create class HTML after. Inside this, content will be HTML 45% and background color. Copy this background color and paste it. Next, we want add box shadow that will be 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 40 pixel and copy this background color and paste it. Let's copy this and paste it 3 times. We want to change this CSS and the content is also CSS 25% and select these colors and we want to change this Doja blue and this class name will be JavaScript. Content is also JavaScript 20%. Select these colors and we want to change this orange and finally this class name will be PHP and content is PHP 10%. Select the colors and we want to change this lime green. Let's create span, hover, after. Inside this, opacity will be 1. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the percentages are visible. Let's start to create our animation. Keyframes and animation name is anim. Inside this, from width will be 0 pixel and to inside this width will be 400 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the cool animation effect and this hover effects are working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.